Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to replace a damaged card on Capital One. To start, go to the website at CapitalOne.com. Then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see the list of accounts. Click on View Account. After that, you will see several options in the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Account Services and Settings. On the pop-up window, you will see a section that says Manage Debit Card. Click on the option that says Replace Damaged Card. A pop-up tab will then appear, asking you to verify your identity first. To continue, click on OK. Next, choose a verification method. You could either receive a temporary code via text message or verify using the Capital One app. In this video, we chose to verify via text message. Click on the option you wish to choose. If you also chose to verify via text message, select the mobile number where you wish to receive the code. Then click on the button that says Send me the code. Next, on the field provided, enter the 6-digit code sent to the number you have provided. Then click on Submit Code. Once verified, you will see a pop-up window. Here, you have to select which address you wish the card to be delivered to. You could choose between sending it to the address on file or sending it to a different address. In this video, we chose to send it to the address on file. Click on the option you wish to choose. After that, click on Replace Card. That's how you replace your damaged card on Capital One. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.